Are you wondering if it is time to visit the mechanic workshop? Now, here are some signs you shouldn't ignore. Dashboard warning lights. Dashboard warning lights are there to warn you of impending or current issues on your car. If you ignore these lights, the issue might deteriorate to a point where you can't move your vehicle. So it is always better when you see lights like check engine lights, ABS lights, oil lights, or you see sign that coolant system too low or coolant system too hot, visit the mechanic workshop. If your vehicle engine is running and you are hearing clanking, knocking, or popping sound from the engine, visit the workshop and have it checked. If your brake pedals are low, weak, or unresponsive, that's a good time to visit the mechanic workshop. And make sure you tell the technicians that your brake pedals are weak, because there's every tendency they may want to test drive the vehicle to see the state of things. Now, if your vehicle starts vibrating either on higher speed or when you are waiting on traffic, you have to visit the mechanic workshop. Hard starting or poor engine performance is a very good reason to visit the mechanic workshop, because with poor engine performance comes high fuel consumption. If your vehicle's temperature suddenly spikes, visit the workshop. While driving, always pay attention to that thermometer, the temperature gauge. If you are deliberate about your vehicle's maintenance, you will hardly have serious issues with that car.